My name is Ada Aharoni, and I'm going to read you a poem from my book called Horizon of Hope. It is a bilingual book, English and Hebrew. The poem is called No Talking. No talking. The politicians decided no talking with the enemy. Beat them because they attack us. Shed their blood and that of the leaders. But most of all, no talking. In the meantime, in the heart of Israel and in the heart of Gaza, blood flows and legs are blown away. And little 8-year-old Twito from Sderot and 8-year-old Muhammad from Gaza will not play football anymore, which they loved so. No talking. How can we convince the violent leaders to talk and not to shoot? I watch from the side at the tragic hen and egg situation and weep together with all the innocent people from both sides and all the mothers. But still, first and foremost, no talking.